Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Thinkorswim scanner. First, navigate to the Scan tab at the top of your platform. Here, you will find powerful tools to filter the market. We will cover the three primary scanner types: Stock Hacker, Option Hacker, and Spread Hacker. These allow you to pinpoint specific trading opportunities across different asset classes. Learning to effectively use these features can significantly enhance your market analysis and decision-making process. Now, let's set up your scan criteria. Begin by adding filters such as last price, volume, or various technical indicators like RSI or moving average. You can define specific ranges, for example, a stock price between $10 and $50, or a daily volume over 500,000 shares. Combining multiple filters helps refine your search, ensuring the results align precisely with your trading strategy. Once your filters are set, customize the output columns to show the data most important to you, like percentage change or bid/ask spread. After perfecting your scan, remember to save it using a descriptive name. This allows you to quickly load and run the same scan again without re-entering all the criteria. Saving your scans is a huge time saver and helps maintain consistency in your market analysis. For more advanced users, Thinkorswim allows you to incorporate custom studies into your scanner, providing even greater flexibility. You can also export your scan results to a spreadsheet program for deeper analysis or to track performance over time. This feature is incredibly useful for backtesting strategies or simply organizing your findings. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.